What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video we're gonna finish up the Vega. We got to tie up the wires, we gotta fix up the firewall, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so we got all the wiring covered up here, and then it's tied up all the way and goes back down on both sides over there too. So everything's looking good up here. Alright, so the original mess of wires that was up under the dash here is now all tied up and covered, and it doesn't look that bad. So, yeah, we'll just keep working on tying all these wires up. We got those covered too, all of the fuel pump wires and stuff that go back there. Just continue to work on this and hopefully make it look better. Alright, now we got all the wires in the back covered up and tied up, so I think that's going to be about it for the wire covering. Now we can move on to fixing the firewall. Now, as you guys can see right there, there's a big hole in our firewall where the stock fuse, let's say block, originally was, because before this car actually had the original wiring harness from 1972 still installed in it. So that is where the factory fuse block was until when we rewired the car. So now there's a big hole there, so we're going to fix that. Alright guys, so we got our cover for the firewall cut out, and now we're going to paint it. Alright, so we got it painted. You can see right here. Got it in there. So everything looks good. Now we're going to move on to cleaning up these wheels and getting those back on the car. Alright guys, so we got the rear tires on. Now we're going to fire it up. Guys, we got the FuelTech stickers on the car. I think that's going to be it for this video though, so thank you for watching, like and subscribe, and bye for now.